chicken breast. We get the flour and salt and pepper. We mix them. After that, we get the chicken. We cut them into strips and add salt and pepper. After that, we get the eggs. We crack them in a bowl and we put salt and we mix. And after that, we get the chicken fingers and then put them in the egg, the flour, and you should do it twice so that it can cover up. Get some oil, put it in a pan and put it on a stove. Get your chicken strips, put them in the pan. Fry them into the food. Be careful, it's hot. You can burn yourself.